Erin Afner with AfnerWords here. Happy Mindful Monday. Welcome back to another Monday mantra. Each week I channel a new mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. I use mantras in my own daily practice to reprogram my brain, shift my mindset, achieve goals, healing, and really any change I'm trying to manifest in my life. I do my mantras every morning and every night before I go to bed. It's my startup and shutdown, so that's a great way to do it. And then also, if I'm just going through a rough time, sometimes I have a mantra that I repeat to myself over and over throughout the day anytime I get sucked into that negative thought loop. So, I invite you to try mantras for yourself. Words are powerful and they create your reality. So be mindful of your words and your thoughts. So this week's mantra is, no matter what other people say, I am focusing on my good news for the day. No matter what other people say, I am focusing on my good news for the day. So there's a lot of things that we could choose to focus on that are not positive these days. There's a lot of stress. There's a lot of anxiety. There's a lot of depression. We're all paying close attention to politics. We've got uncertainty. There's just, a whole slew of things that we could easily get sucked into that's going to bring our vibration down. So this mantra is about focusing on those little things in your day. Like for me yesterday, I finished a large project I've been working on with a client for a couple of months now. And so it feels great to have that finally behind me. It also means a payday for me. So, it's about finding something in your life that you have to be grateful for, and each day there is something, even if it's as small as looking out the window and watching a beautiful little hummingbird come up and get a meal, from a hummingbird feeder. They're just, those little birds are just, they create joy just to watch them, and the grace of their movements, appreciating something in nature. There's just a myriad of things that you could choose to focus in on throughout your day. The love of your pet, there's just the love of a child or a spouse or loved one. So find those things. Find your good news of your day and focus on that, when you feel those lower frequencies kind of sucking you in. Don't get sucked in. Just remember your good news and get in that mindset of gratitude. It really brings your mood up, it brings your vibration up, and it's going to help attract more positive, high vibrational things into the rest of your day. Okay, so here's the mantra one more time. No matter what other people say, I am focusing on my good news for the day. No matter what other people say, I am focusing on my good news for the day. So thanks for watching. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching this on social media, then, drop me a like and maybe a comment, help out the algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. And, thanks again for watching. I love you all, and I will see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.